Hi, I'm Mike Winkler, and I'm the Principal Managing Broker for CBBain in Issaquah, Washington.
And I'm E.J. Bolds. I'm the Principal Managing Broker for CBBain on Mercer Island, Washington.
EJ, in our last Realty Bros video blog post on Washington state law, we talked about the many ways that a broker could lose their real estate license. And so I thought for this particular additional Washington state law post, we would talk about more ways that a broker can lose their license.
That's right, Mike. And remember, Washington state law is the basis for the rules and regulations that govern how real estate firms and the brokers interact with the public. One of the rules that is most near and dear to the public is how we handle the money that they might give us, oftentimes in the form of earnest money when they're in the middle of a real estate transaction. The rule states that the real estate broker or firm can never convert that money to their own use. So in other words, when you as a buyer give us earnest money, we have to hold that money for you, and we can never use that for our own purposes.
In fact, EJ, the money that is held, a client's money that is held in a trust account, and trust really is multiple meanings in this regard, and it is in trust for the benefit of the client. And so there's a number of rules and regulations that govern trust accounts, and frankly, as you know, because you're a branch manager also, we're audited by the Department of Licensing on a fairly regular basis, and the one issue that always is reviewed are the trust accounts.
That's right, and that audit comes through the Department of Licensing, and the Department of Licensing is the entity in the state that administers the state law and handles the disciplinary functions for anyone that holds a license of any kind through the state of Washington. And one of the violations that a real estate broker can commit is not cooperating with an investigation that's going on, ongoing by the Department of Licensing, or lying to the Department of Licensing. That also could mean a loss of the real estate license.
And complaints to the DOL could come primarily from members of the public who felt that their real estate broker acted inappropriately, acted unethically, or unlawfully. And in fact, another violation of license law would occur if a broker continued to participate in an activity or business practice after receiving a communication from the Director of Licensing to cease and desist their behavior.
And the last violation that we'll talk about on this particular blog post involves the advertising of listings. And a real estate firm and a real estate broker must identify the real estate firm whenever they're advertising a listing that they have. And the point that the state law, Department of Licensing, wants the public to know the real estate firm that they're dealing with when they're answering an ad of any kind. And again, all of these laws are about creating an atmosphere where we have an orderly way to conduct business, all the real estate business that we have here in the state of Washington.
Oh, I think they're striving for transparency.
Yeah, I think that's a great way to describe it. I'm E.J. Bolds.
I'm Mike Winkler. Till next time.